Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Contrary to how I look now, I'm in a room that does not always have the best lighting, and I needed a really nice high-powered webcam. This one from EMEET has really helped this room to be a little brighter when I'm on a meeting, and it works great because it's super easy to plug and play. This is a 1080p webcam, and what I really like is that the wide lens that's up here, it fits really good onto my computer, so it doesn't move around at all. The camera adjusts automatically if the lighting changes throughout the day, and it has a built-in microphone as well. I've used this camera both on a PC and a Mac, and I have no problems being able to plug and play, and there's no software required, so it's super simple to use. Once you're on a meeting, again, it just really picks up right away on your computer. So if I'm on a Zoom meeting or another one, all I have to do is swap out the camera on my computer. If you're looking for a really simple but easy to power up webcam, this is the one to go with. Really simple and easy to use, and well worth it because it provides better lighting than other ones that I've tried in the past. But that's just my point of view.